Welcome, little one. This is your first day. Your designation will be RP-01/138. We expect great things from you. You have been born into dangerous times. A sharp mind can be the key to survival. But as often as not, it will be your inherent physical traits that win the day. And in this regard, you will be superior to your more common brethren. For you are a commando, an elite unit, something truly special. Your weapons, your armor, and most importantly, your brothers. The Eifer of our world hunt in pods to bring down much larger prey. So too shall you join with 3 brothers and become fierce hunters for the Republic. Now, join your pod and embrace your destiny as their leader. Join Delta Squad. Delta 40, your foundation, a pure and uncomplicated soldier. 62, the heart and soul of your team. And 07, the fiercest hunter of all your brothers. You are each a piece of a whole person, and the Republic will call you to defend and give your lives if need be.
Sergeant, get those troopers into the gunship!
Ready for liftoff! New gunship, okay, Group B, let's move it! Let's go, push those cannons to the stern! Load the ammo and the ordnance, let's go, let's go!
Sir, we're gonna split up for the drop, but we'll meet you at the RV on Geonosis. See you planetside, sir!
Charlie's vessels approaching us, don't stare off with off in the course. Has not responded to signals, but is believed to be a techno-union armed transport. All kinds of vessel appears to be taking action. Stand by.
Welcome to Geonosis, 38. It's nice to see they finally unhooked you from the simulators. I've been assigned as your advisor, and will be your eye in the sky until further notice, or we all get killed. Once you are on the ground, you will rendezvous with Delta Squad. Delta 62 is nearby. Your first objective is to find him and link up. The squad objective remains: find Sun Fac and eliminate him. I will be issuing further orders as you go. Good luck, Commando. Okay, we're above the LZ. Hook in.
Look out!
I will be providing you with support and tactical information as necessary. Tactical information will be displayed on your heads-up display as holographic projections. Text communications will be displayed in this area. Here are your orders. Your primary target is the Geonosian leader, Sun Fac. Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sun Fac not escape. Delta Lead, are you alright? You just took an anti-infantry round. Your vitals don't look very good. Heal yourself with Bacta before you go any further. There's a medical station in your vicinity. Lead, your vitals are scanning 100%. You are ready to proceed.
They're in the threat! Pull back together, Victor! Pull back!
New objective uploaded. Get over to the crashed gunship. Updating location to objective tracker. The objective tracker will point towards your next target. 3-8, secure the area in front of the crashed gunship.
There's too many of them!
Well done, 3-8. Move to the next waypoint.
We need a medic over here!
Hostile unit deallocated.
Hey, 3-5, check it out! Commandos!
If they're anything as good as I hear, they can practically win the war themselves.
Sir, you're heading into enemy territory, thick with droids and bugs. We're erecting barricades as a makeshift defense perimeter.
Droids approaching your position.
Hostiles have broken our line!
Hostile unit
This
deallocated.
trench leads to the rear of the enemy lines. There is a gun position near your location, preventing our troops from advancing. Recommend you take the thermal detonator grenades from the ammo pack and destroy the gun to your inventory. Excellent. Now lob the grenades at that gun position.
Destroyed.
Very impressive, 3-8.
Annoyed. Unit eliminated.
Delta Lead, squad mate 6-2 is in your vicinity. You should be coming up on him shortly.
Woohoo! Eat
You are
plasma, you
directly
stupid
behind the
droid!
droid emplacement.
Yeah! Have some of that! 6-2 ready to go, sir. I'm linking up to your HUD, boss.
Those sonic turrets are tearing our troopers apart. Lead, I have uploaded a demolition placement location to your visor.
Scorch, I need you to demo that bunker for me.
Good. I'm dying to blow something up. Cover me.
Just get us inside without killing the squad, okay,
Heads up,
Scorch?
squad. Warriors approaching your position.
The charge is set and ready to detonate. It's all yours, boss.
Advisor, we've got some heavy artillery over here.
Gunship Harkin, en route.
Go! Heads up, Deltas!
Press on, Commandos. I will continue to monitor your progress from the gunship and remember, Delta Lead, your ultimate objective is Sun Fac, but your immediate objective is to rendezvous with Delta 4-0.
Go! We got warriors here.
Delta 4-0 is on the other side of this door. Place a charge and blow it. I'll warn him to step back.
On the move, awaiting orders.
Commence demolitions maneuver, Delta.
One fireball special coming right up. With red, red, green, or red, green, red. The charge is set and ready to detonate. It's all yours, boss.
Stand back, Deltas.
Do you think we have commandos?
Delta Squad, 3-8 is down. Administer field vector. Hang in there, 3-8. Help is on the way.
Uploading and linking with your visor, sir.
Delta Lead, advise you task 4-0 with slicing that security shield. He is supremely qualified. Your squad status and location is displayed here.
Almost there. Slice complete, sir.
Security shield disabled. We're in. Heal up, Delta.
On my way. You got one, Commando. Move! Squad leader, solid shot. Back to taken.
You're nearing a secure door leading to the hangar. Activity in the hangar suggests that they are unaware of your presence. I advise slicing the controls to this door and entering quietly via a door slice maneuver.
Give me a slice on that door, Delta.
Affirmative, sir. Just a few more seconds. Egress unlocked, sir.
Reloading.
Advisor, we've located a pair of Geonosian fighters in the hangar.
We don't want them to be used against us. Destroy them. Target uploaded to your objective tracker.
Droid dead.
I'd like some explosives here, Delta.
4-0, readying explosives. Cover me. Just a few more. Charge is armed, sir.
Fire in the hole.
Target annihilated.
Excellent shot, sir.
It's getting a little dark here.
Delta Squad, switch to visor mode.
Switching to night vision. Reloading.
Enemy droid sighted. Slice and dice, sir. Incoming Geos. Buck down.
Excellent kill.
Switch off that visor, Delta. It's plenty bright in here.
Aye, sir.
Good, now use the demo charge to clear the path.
Need some cover, squad. Was red, red, green, or red, green, red?
Seems to be dead.
It's hot, boss.
Stand back, Deltas.
Good work, Delta.
Delta Lead, you need to keep your squad focused and under your direction. Use your squad commands to get results. We've intercepted communications from Sunfac's planning room. He's located one level below your current position. The Geonosians are aware of your presence and are on high alert. Expect heavy resistance.
Nice shot.
Bugs with sticks.
Enemy droid targets ahead.
The opening at the end of this hall is directly above Sunfac's planning room. You can rappel down from the ledge.
Roger that.
Delta Lead, Squadmate 07 is now in your vicinity and remaining covert. Proceed with caution.
07 locking into your hut, sir.
Getting acquainted with the locals, eh, Sev?
That was fun.
Where's Sunfac?
In the next room, boss. And don't worry. I saved some targets for you guys.
Sunfac is making a run for the door. Stop him!
He's made it through.
Delta Lead, it is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape.
Nice shot from the point.
squads fire on single targets to penetrate their armor.
How was that?
Step it up, 3-8. I'm reading a power transfer to Sunfax fighter.
Roger that.
Geonosians!
Well done, boss.
Commence door breach.
Absolutely, sir.
Reloading.
Yes. Canceling maneuver.
It's done.
Initiate door breach, Commando.
Commencing. Placing detonator. Clear.
Fire in the hole.
Door cleared. We're good to go. I'm out.
There he is, outside the shield.
Delta lead, assign 07 to sniper position. We need a target on Sunfac.
Give us some
Sunfac is
sniping,
making a run
Commander.
for it.
In position.
Sunfax fighter is warming up. Delta, what are you doing?
Nice clean hit, sir.
He's taking off! Now you've lost!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! I love that smell!
All I smell is burnt Geonosian.
3-8, my scanners show an explosion.
That's affirmative. Subject terminated. Did you see that? That craft didn't look Geonosian.
Confirmed. It's unidentified. I'll check the intelligence databanks. Move on, Deltas. There's no time to celebrate, Deltas. As you already know, 3-6's squad has been incapacitated. Their mission was to disable the droid factory in this sector. Your squad has been retasked for this purpose. Proceed to the elevator. Intelligence indicates that there are several factories buried deep underground, but they are impenetrable to our large assault forces. Heat signatures emanating from this spire tell us there is a factory below. Neutralizing one of these factories will tip the scales in our favor for the surface battle. Our scanners cannot pinpoint the factory's exact location because of a jamming device located near your current position. First, disable the jamming device. Once that is accomplished, I can guide you to your main target. Our communication will be sporadic. Inside, so you're on your own until that...
Say no loss, sir. Too bad it was just... Warriors!
3-8 on the mark.
Sniper mode. Very accurate. Very deadly. Commence door breach.
Let's do it. Placing breach charge. Clear.
Grenade. Smashed a bug.
Go. Engage hostiles. That smell. They're harvesting fidna resin. Highly explosive in its raw form.
I hear machinery below. Looks like we're on the right track.
That means we get to kill some more bugs, right?
Will you look at this place?
Multiple targets on the grid.
Wait, looks like a good place for a little sniper action.
Warriors! Go, go!
That doesn't sound good. Must be the battle upstairs.
Nice move, sir.
Heal up, Delta.
Retrieving back to sir.
Dead drones.
Condition nominal.
Good shot, sir.
This place gives me the creeps. What are these strange egg-like things?
Looks like we're in some sort of Geonosian birthing chamber, gentlemen.
They are eggs.
Let's give them a wide berth just to be safe.
Just when you think they can't get any more disgusting.
Down the target.
Killed that one.
Warriors en route. I'm tapped out.
Got a visual on some bugs.
Abandon position, Delta.
Just like the simulator.
Set up there, Delta. There's the jamming device, but it's shielded. The controls to that shield must be nearby.
Fire in the hole!
The jamming device is interfering with my visuals.
Warriors.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Seth, ready to fire.
Following up.
There's a computer console at the opposite end of this room. It must control the shield to the jamming device. Huh! Get slicing on that terminal, Commando.
On it, squad leader.
Shields down. Let's blow that jamming device.
Yeah, we'll get right on that.
Give us some sniping, Commando. Place a charge on the jamming device.
Setting charge.
Pack it up, Delta. We can take him out from here.
Taking position, boss. Weapon ready.
Discontinue demo, Delta.
Roger that. 4-0 pulling back.
Place a charge on the jamming device.
Setting charge. Nice hit, Delta 3-8. Charge is armed, sir.
Fire in the hole. Pack it up, Delta.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. On my way.
Nice work. Communications coming back online. Initial scans show a large complex one level below your current location. Make your way through the opening behind the jamming device. Commando healed. There is a ledge at the end of this shaft. You can rappel to the lower level from that ledge.
Let's get down to the lower level.
Right behind you, squad leader.
Stay alert. I'm reading a sudden surge of activity in your area. Vent shafts leading to the factory are located on the opposite side of the spire from your location.
Figures.
My readings are unable to find a way across the spire to the factory. You're going to have to get creative with this one.
Let's use this clear line of fire.
Okay,
Moving
flank
to
the new
position.
target.
Ready and raring, sir.
Moving to your mark.
We can take him out from here.
This one's mine.
Another dead bug. Gross.
Good kill.
Eliminate target.
Took some fire.
What the hell was that?
Geonosian elite. Watch out for the lasers.
Nice move, sir.
Pack it up, Delta. You, Bacta, now.
I'm on it.
Take them down from here, Delta.
Let me show you real marksmanship.
Take cover! Sonic turret at the end of the bridge.
Another dead.
Back to...
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Moving to your mark. Target area in view.
They've set up a barricade on the bridge. Let's get a charge set on that crate. Abandon position, Delta.
Targets eliminated. 4-0, readying explosives.
With extreme pleasure, sir. In position.
Just a few more.
Those bugs are tricky.
Explosives prime, squad.
Stand back, Deltas.
Let's move, Delta squad. Incoming Geos.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Moving to your mark.
Abandon position, Delta.
On my way. Just that one.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
Never saw it coming. Confirmed. Set a charge. Need some cover here.
Why won't these guys quit?
Focus, Deltas.
4 seconds.
Fine shooting, boss.
Explosives prepped and ready.
Get clear! Cancel snipe maneuver, Commando. Take up snipe position, Commando.
Moving into position.
Delta, control that turret.
I'm on it.
Beautiful strike, sir.
Assume snipe position, Delta.
On my way.
Eliminate target.
Be advanced.
Powering up.
Target's in view.
Good to go, sir.
Give me another.
Abandon position, Delta. You, back to, now.
Getting back to... much better.
Abandon position, Delta.
Retrieving back to sir.
No way across. Looks like we're gonna have to make our own bridge.
On the loose. Reloading.
Exterminated with extreme prejudice.
Dead mark confirmed. Excellent. Affirmative. Placing charge.
A well-placed bomb at the bottom of the spire might create a bridge. Take cover, Delta! Pack it up, Delta.
Hostiles down.
That'll do nicely.
Nice work, Deltas. The factory is directly across from your current position, Deltas.
Ammunition exhausted. And so am I.
The factory is at the other end of this ventilation shaft. Hurry.
Moving to position.
Find a computer and upload the factory schematics. I will analyze them for a weakness.
Commence demolitions maneuver, Delta.
I'm on it. Can I have some cover here? Was red, red, green, or red, green, red?
And he's supposed to be the demolition expert.
It's hot, boss.
Take cover, Deltas!
Do you think we used enough? Fine shooting, boss. Well done, boss.
This door leads to the factory control room.
Droid scrapped.
Killed that one. One. Kill them before they kill you.
Breach that door, Delta.
Commencing door breach maneuver. Clear.
Grenade thrown!
Door clear. We're in. Warriors.
Use this console to access the factory's main computer. I should have access to unlock doors once a link is established.
Heads up, Deltas.
Terminal sliced, sir.
Eliminate target. Won't be done.
That's part of the program. Give me another. Hold on a minute.
Eliminate target.
I'm out. Reloading. I'm in here.
An analysis of the data reveals 2 targets that can cripple the factory's production capabilities. The first conduit is just outside the control room you were standing in. The second conduit is at the end of the assembly line on the production floor. You'll need to take them both out to cut the factory's power. Updating objective tracker now.
Whoever left his Bacta dispenser here should get a medal.
Get yourself some Bacta, Commando.
I'm heading there now. Bacta applied. Moving to cover. Commando healed.
Breach that door.
Initiating breach maneuver. Setting detonator. Clear. Fire in the hole. Breach. Let's move. It's to heavy battle
There's the first
droids.
power conduit. Let's get down to the lower level. Eliminate target.
Powering up.
We can take him out from here.
Moving to your mark. Scorch in position. Give me another.
Geonosian warriors ahead. Nice hit grenade.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
On my way. In position. Area secured. Found Confederacy droids.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Moving into position.
Cancel maneuver, Delta. Let's crack that terminal, Delta.
Yes, squad leader. No terminal hacks or skills. The terminal is ours, sir.
Looks dead.
There's the second power conduit.
Super battle droid.
We could use the hole here, Delta.
Scorch, you're in charge.
8. Nice arm there.
Eliminate target.
Taken care of.
Can I have some cover here? Priming? Explosives? Explosive set, 3-8.
Fire in the hole.
I love that sound.
Eliminate target.
Nice shot.
Your marksmanship is an inspiration to us all, sir.
Good shot, sir. Blasted.
Go! That's gonna leave a mark.
Take them out from there, Delta.
This one's mine.
Eliminate target. Let's use this clear line of fire.
Yes, sir.
Hit confirmed. Enemy droids.
Let's get that shield down so we can place the charge. I'd like some explosives here, Deltas.
Confirmed. Setting charge. Cover me. Explosives prepped and ready.
Fire in the hole.
I am reading a complete factory shutdown.
Move out, squad. Let's get out of here.
Welcome. Nice one there.
Let's move on.
I could do this all day.
Targets eliminated.
(3-8 to advisor. We need to get out of here fast.
Oh, sir,
What's your
reloading.
location?
Animal strike, sir.